Three colorful species of birdwing butterflies are found in India. Common birdwing is found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, West Bengal, south and northeast of India. Females look similar to males but are larger and have a complete post-discal series of large oval black spots. Upper side of males' forewings are rich velvety black. The cilia is short, black, alternated with pale buffy white in the middle of the interspaces. They prefer tropical and subtropical forests. The native Dutchman's pipe or Indian birthwort is their host plant, and they prefer feeding on the pagoda flowers. Golden birdwing is India's largest butterfly with a wingspan reaching about 6 inches. They are found in the north and northeast of India. Females are larger than the males and have dark brown or black wings. Males have black forewings with veins bordered by whitish color. Hind wings are bright yellow. Golden birdwings mainly live in lowland forests with a special kind of climbing vine called Indian birthwort. Indian birthworts serve as both the home and food supply of their caterpillars. They flap their wings fairly slowly and do resemble a bird from a distance. Southern birdwing is the state butterfly of Karnataka. They are found in Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Western Ghats in the southwest of India. Females are black on the costal margin, always have large yellow spot on base of interspaces. Male butterflies have black along the dorsal and terminal margins. Both on upper and undersides are broader. They are found in lowland evergreen forests near the coast to mixed deciduous forests. Indian birthwort, Dutchman's pipe, West Indian jasmine, lantana are some of the preferred food plants.